Welcome to my channel. TP-Link Deco X20 X60 Wi-Fi 6 Mesh System Setup. 1. Download and install the Deco app. Scan the QR code below or go to Google Play or the Apple App Store to download the Deco app. Install the app on your Android or iOS smartphone or tablet. 2. Log in or sign up with TP-Link ID. Open the app. Use your TP-Link ID to log in. If you don't have a TP-Link ID, tap Sign Up. The Deco app will guide you through the rest. Three. Connect Deco to your modem. Find and power off your modem. Connect your Deco to the modem and power them both on. If you don't have a modem, connect the Ethernet outlet directly to your Deco. 4. Select a location. Select a location for this Deco. If its location is not listed, you can create a new one by choosing Custom. 5. Create your Wi-Fi network. Set a network name and a password. These will be the name and password you use to connect your devices to Wi-Fi. 6. Add more decos. You can add more decos to expand Wi-Fi coverage. The app will guide you through the process of adding more decos one by one. After you successfully set up your Deco network, you will see the dashboard of the Deco app. Thank you for watching.